Uy! Hindi, parang sinapak. Hindi pa rin. Parang talaga akong sinapak dito, pero whatever. Maganda naman yung makeup. Parang sinapak talaga. Wait nga lang. Hoping na maayos na siya. O, diba? Hoy, hindi. Sino ka dyan? So, okay. So, ready na siya. Buksaan na. Hindi. Let's go, guys. After na to, advanced study na. Kakaiyak. Nag-advanced study ka ba? Hindi po, ate. First week as a first year nursing student. Edition.
Tangi ulit.
Okay,
Ano
1, 2, 3.
Ano yun?
First week.
Hindi yung unang muna.
A day
Day
na
na life as a
First week.
first week, first year.
First year.
Huwag na nga.
Wag na nga. Sumuko na rin siya. Ito, oh. First week as a first year nursing student. Okay? Go, be!
May tago.
Hi, people in the world. Nandito kami sa Porto.
Pagod. Sobrang pagod, guys. Nag-tour, nag-campus tour kami. And sobrang nakakapagod.
Init-init.
Nakakapagod.
Ang init-init. Papalamig na lang kami. Siya wala siyang pasok. Wala siyang pasok. Ako meron. Pumasok lang siya dahil sa parade. Yeah.
Masipag kasi ako. Actually, guys, ako lang ang lalaking pumasok sa classroom na. 4 kaming lalaki sa class. The rest babae na. Tapos ako lang yung pumasok today na lalaki.
Bigyan niyo ako ng lalaki. Gusto niya daw yung chinito, mestizo.
Bawal na.
Gusto niya daw ng mestizo. Chinito.
Anong postizo? Gusto niya ng postizo. Grabe.
Bigyan niyo daw siya ng mestizo.
Puro babae yung mga nursing students sa school na.
Yeah.
Meron naman lalaki tas mga pogi kasi syempre mga anak mayaman. Pero parang mga geng-geng yung ugali.
Hindi man yung nursing ngayon eh. Tsaka maraming lalaki na nursing. Kaya akala namin first year, ang dami. Pero
Kaya
konti
pa naman
lang.
ako nag-nursing kasi pogi yung mga lalaki doon. Tangina wala pa.
Okay, bigyan niyo lang daw siya ng mestizo, chinito, tapos
Ah.
brainy.
Yeah.
Yun ang gusto niya.
Pati
Okay.
postizo.
Ito IG niya, guys. Nagbigay ng IG. Hit him up. Eme.
Tsaka ng pang tuition fee.
Sugar daddy. Hi. Ayaw mo na.
Daddy Rob.
Daddy, no.
Tago naman nila eh.
December 25. Daddy, no.
Ang boring talaga, parang ibang-iba talaga sa senior high school guys ang college. Medyo na culture siya.
Hinihintay namin yung isa. Medyo show.
Nabili ng dukit.
Okay, so, hello people in the world. Oh my God. In fairness, ang aking blush ay... Wait nga lang. Padam ako pa rin yung nursing. Okay. Mukha naman ako itog dyan. Okay, lagyan natin ng... Okay. Hello people in the world. Oh my God. I look so haggard. Pero yeah. Hindi ko kayo masyadong na-update sa mga nangyari for the past 3 days. 3 days lang. So, it's Wednesday ngayon. Kanina nag-vlog ako. Pero unti lang talaga yung clips na kukuha ko talaga. It's grabe. And I'm so sorry again for the background because like yeah, nasa may bintana ako kayo. And my room is not that like katapat talaga siya ng basketball court, like half court ng bahay namin. Ay, ang pusa. Pero yeah. Anyway, may nag-aaway na pusa. May pusa, may mingming. Pero yeah, I'm so sorry sa aking face. Cause like, yeah, whatever. Pero yeah, nasa, like what I've said nga, nasa, nasa... Tama na, be, tama na. Siguro i-summary ko na lang. For the past 3 days na like what I said, first week as a first year student. Yes, girl. Yes. So far, hindi naman siya masyadong heavy cause like orientation pa lang talaga. You know, nag-introduce yourself, like getting to know the profs and kung anong mangyayari sa whole semester, sa whole first semester ng year na to. And so far, hindi pa siya masyadong heavy. And which is good, diba? Kasi, which is good. Kasi, like, mahirap naman yung biglang bagsakan agad. Kasi, and also, you know, kapag freshman ka, like freshy, whatever name is that, whatever you call us, nag-adjust pa kasi, which is a good week, like which is good na nag-orientation pa lang, wala pang hardcore and anything like that. Pero ina-expect na namin agad na for the next few weeks na dadating is like doon na talaga babagsak. Okay, expected ko na rin yan actually. So right now I think nag-ano lang talaga for actually we already did 2 activity sa Anafi. Alam kong creative akong tao. Pero bakit kasi biglang nagpa-drawing naman ate ko? Hindi ako ready. Okay sana kung pina-assignment. Talagang gagandahan ko yan, te. Pero like, on the spot, nakakainis. Pero yeah, hoping na medyo maayos yung score ko doon. Cause, you know, after this first week, matapos ko na yung mga notes ko. Cause like, notes is the most... I feel like, nung senior high ako, hindi ko talaga siya na-appreciate and stuff like that. Pero iba na kasi kapag college ka, kasi like, you're getting into the real world. Nandun ka na talaga sa real world talaga. Kasi nung senior high school ako, chill lang, ganon. Ganon lang kami ng mga classmates ko, tulungan pa. College is different from that.
An eternity later.
Bakit pa ako nagsasabi ng ganito? Pero yeah. Pag-memorize niyo ako ng mission and vision namin. Tumigil. I'm gonna cry. Ya, kaya natin to. Wala kang choice. Ginusto mo yan. Ayoko na.
A few moments later.
Provides unique and innovative educational process, contents, and ang hirap pa naman mag-memorize. Ano ba yan? Nakatakot. Paris is drowning, but I'm gonna take it.
Does it go? How deep 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 does it go? Got me going round in circles through the motions. Got me thinking I'm better out alone. Up and down and round and round. Can't play these games with you no more. Thinking about the mess that I made. Won't you say my name? Take it for granted. If I had the chance, you know I would. If I had a chance, you know I would. If I had the chance.
Hello, people in the world. Yeah, it's me again. I'm so sorry for my face, but whatever. Who cares? No one cares in the world, okay? Ano daw? Yeah. You see this? Damn, let's go. Look at that. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo pinagkaiba niya. Tignan mo ang pinagkaiba niya. Yeah, my thumb hurt us. And actually, if you touch it, it has this, para siyang may bukol. Parang ang saya-saya ko pa sa video na yan. What the Guys, take care of yourself always. Please and please wear a gloves when you touch something. I don't know kung saan ko siya nakuha talaga. I don't know. Hindi naman talaga siya pigsa. Pero yeah, what the Hindi ka gaganon. Pero yeah, it hurts like hell. Hindi. Ayoko na. Yeah, you know what? Hindi ko na kayo nakakausap. Eme. Yeah. Whatever. I don't know if this... Oh, right. Tomorrow na lang pala ako mag-e-end. Pero yeah. Anyway, as you all know, hindi. Actually, mabilis na yung ano. Ang bilis na August. It's Friday today. And you know what I've been doing? I've been doing some stuff. Hindi. Pero at least oh my god. Ingay ko. Okay. Maingay ka be. Okay. Laylo. Okay. Yeah. So you guys wondering bakit nasa labas ako? Kasi wala, I mean, hindi makita ang pinakamagandang, hindi ko makita yung mukha ko kapag nasa room ako. Kung nasa, alam mo na, pero yeah. Ang tao kasi sa kabilang balcony. Nakaka-conscious. Pero yeah, malayo naman siya. So, nasa na ba ako? Yeah, thankful pa rin ako na kahit pa paano nakakatulog ako na maayos. Thank Lord. Pero first week pa lang kasi, kaya may tulog pa ako. Let's see sa mga second week or third week Tignan natin. Pero yeah. I met a lot of new people. Yeah, I'm hoping this goes as well. Because I can be really fine. Tell him later. I can be really, yeah. But I just yeah, it's never everyone. Okay, that's visual, no? Okay, so yeah. Ang dami ko naman pinagsasabi. Bay na nga. Diyos ko. So, this is what it looks like kapag nasa kwarto ako. Tignan mo, hindi ako makita. Wala kasi akong ring light. Should I buy a ring light? Is it necessary? Do I really need it? Probably not. Probably yes. Siguro. Pero yeah, kailangan nating mag-ipon. Okay, so I can't be impulsively buying stuff that I don't really need. Okay? Told you. Maingay talaga sa labas. Mas maingay pa sa boses ko. Pero yeah, hopefully mabili ko yung mga kailangan kong bilhin. I'm gonna write those stuff. Uy, hindi. I'm gonna write the things that I really need versus what I really want. Okay? And I've been doing that since last July. And yeah, hindi pa rin siya nabibili, pero iisa-isahin natin. Okay? Yeah. Let's go. I have a 7 a.m. class tomorrow again. And tawag doon. And my room is a mess. Yeah. So freaking messy around. I'm gonna wait, what I was supposed to say. I would say that another orientation tomorrow. Yeah, I'm so sorry for the noises outside. It's just so freaking loud talaga. I hope you guys don't hear that. And yeah, that's all the update for today. And kanina kasi lumabas ako para bumili ng Betamax. You know Betamax? I love Betamax. And also Isaw. Nagmahal na be! The last time when was it? I think nung January lang, nakabili pa ako ng Betamax and it's only 5 pesos. Ngayon nag-6 na. What the heck? Sobrang late naman ng Betamax nila. Pero anyway, it's good naman. Yun lang naman update. Yeah, bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow and hopefully makapag-edit ako ng maayos and ma-post ko siya on time kasi ang dami kong deadlines ng mga videos. Yeah. Sino?
Yung babae.
Sino?
Mas gusto kong president yung babae.
Ah, yung sa sobrang nag-vlog ako ba?
If I had a chance, you know I would. Sleeping pills to knock me out.
Bye-bye. Anyway, yeah. Uwi na kami, guys. Bye! It's not bad. Anong masasabi mo sa library?
Sarap matulog.
Check my phone when I head out.
Ano na ako? Hindi na makikita.
Ito nga lang. It's not that complicated. You should.
3 days later.
Oh